All right, there he is. The biggest, baddest bull in the world, guarding the ugliest chicken. Where's your ugliest chicken, buddy? Where is he? Show me. You guys know? Oh, here he is. He's hiding over here. Hello, buddy. Is that a candidate for the ugliest chicken? Or what? Never turn your back on a bull, by the way. Come on, buddy. Let's go see you. Come on. Let's see what you got cooking. Oh, bull scared you. Look out, buddy. Stop guarding your Don't worry. You're not missing anything. You just stay back, buddy. I don't want to hurt you. I don't want to have to hurt you. Tough guy. We love our little bull here. He's very tough, though. He's tearing up. There's I paid good money for that. Stop it. So, ugliest chicken. Back to the ugliest chicken. Much more interesting. Ugliest chicken doesn't even want to live with this big tough bull. He's like, oh hey, no. So, there you go. I just wanted to get your idea. Is that the ugliest chicken or what? Come on. Let's see. Ugliest chicken candidate or not? You be the judge. So there he is. In all his glory. Curly. He's a rooster, healthy rooster, all his feathers intact. Living the dream over here with the cows. Looking for a bait. Oh, here's the bouncer. That's Gus. Hi, Gus. Protecting your chicken. Don't call them ugly. Protecting the chickens. These are livestock protection cats, formerly trained in Belgium. They make sure that the chickens don't get attacked by mountain lions or coyotes or any other predators. So, important to have them in these hostile worlds.